Let's solve this together. Now, a lot of people will make mistake in this question to say that x minus 4 is equal to x, hence x is, 0 is equal to 4, which is very wrong. But this is the correct way to solve it, alright? So what we're going to do here first is to say that a raised power m or raised to the power of n is equal to a raised power n or raised to the power of m, which is equal to a raised power m times n. You can agree with me that x minus 4 raised to the power of 4 we can express as x minus 4 or raised to the power 2 times 2 minus x raised to the power 2 times 2 is equal to 0. From here we have x minus 4 all raised to the power 2 all raised to the power of 2 minus x raised to the power 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0. This is the difference of two squares. The difference of two squares says that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Hence from here we are going to have x minus 4 all squared minus x squared multiplied by x minus 4 all squared plus x squared is equal to 0. Now from here we would have, opening the bracket, we have x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus x squared multiplied by x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus x squared is equal to 0. Okay, now this will give us minus 8x plus 16 multiplied by 2x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. When the product of two things are equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to 2, or 2x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. Using the quadratic formula, we have that x will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 8, c is equal to 16. X will be equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 squared is 64 minus 4 into a is 2, c is 16. Okay, all over 2 times a, which is 2 times 1, which is 2. A is now equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 128 all over 2. A is now equal to, x is now equal to 8 plus or minus negative 64, okay, square root of this all over 2. X will now be equal to 8 plus or minus negative 64 can be expressed as root of 64 times I all over 2. This is equal to 8 plus or minus 8i all over 2, where I is equal to root of negative 1. Okay, hence x will now be equal to 4 plus or minus 4i. So we have that x is equal to 4 plus or minus 4i, or x is equal to 2. Okay, these are the three answers to this solution. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand. I hope it made sense. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.